Heads up, heads up!
Oh.
We're here today at Historic Hamtramck Stadium, one of only 5 major Negro League ballparks still standing in America. This was built in 1930. It was the home of the Negro National League Detroit Stars. The star of the Stars was a guy named Norman "Turkey" Stearnes. He was the star center fielder. He's in the Baseball Hall of Fame.
My name is Joyce Stearnes Thompson. I'm the youngest daughter of Norman Thomas "Turkey" Stearnes. We want to raise enough money to renovate this field. So we've been fortunate to have the Navy Field ground crew to work on the landscaping, but there's going to be a whole lot of money needed to renovate the stadium.
So I'm with a group called the Friends of Historic Hamtramck Stadium. I'm also co-founder of a group called the Hamtramck Stadium Grounds Crew, formerly known as the Navy Field Grounds Crew. We launched a crowdfunding campaign earlier this year, and we had some unexpected support from a guy by the name of Jack White. Jack donated a sizable amount of money to help us restore the field. The idea is to restore the playing field first, and then the grandstand will be a little bigger project than that. The national anthem was sung by Joyce Stearnes Thompson and Rosalind Stearnes Brown. They are the daughters of the Negro League's legend Norman "Turkey" Stearnes.
I'm the oldest daughter of Hall of Famer Norman "Turkey" Stearnes. This is one of the 5 stadiums left in the country where the Negro League ball players played and my dad played. They had to deal with discrimination and all of the crap that goes along with that. And they did that, and they weren't bitter at all about not making it to the majors. And they did it, like I say, I always say they did it for the love of the game. And so now, because of the love of the game, we're going to try to keep baseball going wherever we possibly can. And this will help carry on that legacy.
Well, ideally, we'd like to see kids playing here every day and then have vintage baseball games and, you know, maybe even a league here. Community concerts, maybe outdoor movie screenings. We want to see this field be available all the time. We want the kids of Hamtramck to be able to play the sports they want on this field.
During the 7th inning stretch, we're going to be treated to a very special rendition. Robert Bradley, blues singer from Detroit, he will be singing his composition, Born in America. And he'll be accompanied on keyboards by Bobby Emmet, and I think that may be a very poignant moment, so stick around for the 7th inning stretch.
Thank you, and I'm glad to be out here today. I wish I could look out there and see all y'all, but I didn't wear my contacts. It's all good to be born in America, where all men are free. Oh, it's good, y'all, to be born in America. Oh, Lord, the home of the red, the white, and the blue. Raise the flag low, or raise it so high. Some of them in the world think America's gonna die. I'm gonna sing it along now and then. I bet old glory is gonna swing there in the wind. It's so good, Lord, to be born in America. Wow, men are free, yeah. Oh, it is so good to be born in America. Oh, Lord, the home of the red. take it one more time. It's so good to be born in America.